see, I know we haven't put a video for a really long time. So now we're on a trip and you'll see the rest eventually, okay? Catch you guys. Bye.
Hi guys. Hi Adi.
Where are you? Hey guys, so it's day 2. Good morning. Don't see it, right? Huh? Keep quiet. You can check out its tires later. That's what you're excited about. So, as mentioned earlier, we are in Ireland, in the Scotland of India, that is Cork. So, we're just showing you a little bit of our room. So, you can go ahead.
So every cottage in Ayutthaya has its own balcony which opens up to a lush green forest, which we're getting to in a while. Adi, open that side. And so this is our balcony. Yeah. So, for those of you if you don't know where's Ayutthaya, Ayutthaya is in Cork, and they have their own waterfall within the property. So you can have that, and everyone is allotted cottage, an own cottage, which every cottage opens up to a beautiful nature-like scenery, and Adi is just bathing in its glory. So I think that's pretty much it of our cottage. We took a standard cottage because that was the only thing that was available right now. Everything else was booked, even though we booked quite early, but the dates that we needed weren't available for the other cottages. So this is a glimpse of it. We will be getting back.
There's a lot of questions. We'll answer it eventually. So kindly watch it.
Adi.
Adi just rode a penaka. Hi there.
Hi.
Where are you?
Where at Ayatina?
Where is it?
It's in Cook. Don't
Okay.
you know what we're doing here?
No, I don't want to know.
You don't want to know?
No, I don't.
I think the others would want to know.
Just figure it out.
Beautiful place. So we're playing foosball. Where's the ball, bro? No, it's stuck there. It's stuck. So long she was losing. It's 4 and that's 2 now. Okay. We will get back the results in a while. Bye.
So we played carrom and we had
Yeah, she
She
beat me.
7,
She had-
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus another 10, 20.
She had prior experience from Wayanad.
It's not just Wayanad, it's a side of the
Okay, let's go for dinner.
Oh, regulars again.
No, let's play foosball. So, this is the waterfall within the property. We have come a little late. We'll show you another view in the morning. And it's gonna rain really bad because a lot of thunder. I hope you guys can hear me. Hi Adi, how was it? You can't hear me? Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay. So, oh, you can't see us. You can't see us now.
And that's the view of
Of the evening, actually. We'll come back. We'll come back during the day. So this is around the property. There's nothing much you can see because it's night. I'll show you during the day. That's the restaurant. There's a bar. There's a play area. There's a pool. It's a beautiful place. If you get to visit, please do come here.
Hey guys, so it's day 2. Good morning, you wanted to say, so yeah. So, we're starting with the first activity of the day, that is the Nature's Walk, which is organized by the resort itself. They have few activities. So that's the first one for the day. We're in a hurry to reach the place because we're a teeny weeny bit late, okay? We'll show you guys what happens in the Nature Walk.
Hi, Adi. How's the nature? How's the nature walk?
So far, so good. Apparently, we have some GoPro timing and all to do.
ग्रीन लिप्स दिखाई दे रहा है सबको? राइट, क्या बोला? करेक्ट। ये है पेपर्स, ब्लैक पेपर्स। ओके, ये जो ट्री नहीं है ऐसा, ये बिल टाइप का जा रहा है ट्री में ऐसा, ये पेपर्स। ओके, इसमें सीड से दिखाई दे रहा होगा, देखो इसमें थोड़ा सा ग्रीन दिखाई दे रहा है सबको। ये पेपर, तो ये अभी इसमें ग्रीन है, जब रेड होने टाइम में पूरा रेड रहता है। रेड होने टाइम में हम लोग उसको निकाल के ड्राई करना है। 3-4 डेज ऐसा सनलाइट में ड्राई किया तो उसके बाद वो ब्लैक रहता है। ओके, ये ब्लैक। ओके, और एक दूसरा बात है, इधर से अभी हम लोग इधर से जाएंगे, थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट रास्ता है। ओके, ऐसे डाउन जाना है हम लोग। जाने टाइम में लेग को स्ट्रेट ऐसे नहीं रखना है। ओके, और पॉकेट में हैंड ऐसे नहीं डालना है, खुला होना चाहिए, बाई चांस गिर गया तो। ओके, बट थोड़ा सा ये लेग को क्रस रखना है ऐसा। जाने टाइम में थोड़ा सा ऐसा क्रस रख लिया तो कम स्लिप रहता है। हम स्ट्रेट किया, स्लिप होने का चांसेस ज़्यादा रहता है। और कभी भी भूलना नहीं, भूल के भी ऐसे हैंड नहीं डालना चाहिए। क्यों बोले तो हम बाई चांस फिसल भी गया तो हैंड बाहर नहीं आता है, तो एवरी टाइम खुला होना चाहिए। ओके, कम।
കുറച്ച് ഇരിക്കണുള്ളൂ. You have something little no. Huh? That's okay. Let them go. Wow. Hi, Jackie. Good morning. How's the little walk? Huh? Fun and danger? Nah, it's okay. I got over it. But I guess we're going to take this path.
Wait here.
उधर हम रेस्टोरेंट में पहुंचेंगे, उस टाइम पे ब्रेकफास्ट का तो साथ में करेंगे।
Hi, Jackie. Too many leeches. So, so it's rope climbing. So we came from there like them, and then we. Huh? What? ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀರಿನ ಪಾನಿ? Wait. You will only get nice answers. You can take the back side also. This is the exit.
You go down?
Yeah.
Hi Adi, so how was your nature walk?
It was nice. We had rope climbing, we had kind of a stream over there.
I think-
Not river, it's a small stream.
Yeah, I think all of it will be there in the clip if you guys.
Yeah, we didn't have to take it, guys. We don't have to take it.
We took others climb down and stream and all that. No?
Yeah.
So the fun part was leeches. That's the reason Adi has a bowl of salt. See?
He was excited to show you that. That's the reason he's doing this like this.
There's a lot of blood, but those who have those who are not comfortable with blood, please do skip this
Are you
part.
doing a reaction video where you will blabber and I am just giving you expression?
Yes, Adi.
So Jeff, I have one question.
Yeah.
Why haven't you done videos for so long?
Because we were busy with our work and life. But we are in a vibe, not in a vibe, in a full swing to start uploading at least once a week.
Oh, okay, nice. You want another question?
I think that we are good for now. We are going back to our room.
We're waiting for a buggy. I'm not going to let him walk with all the blood.
Yeah, so, and once we're done, we'll come down here again for our breakfast. So it's the first town is the
And
bar.
then I go for zip line. Obstacle course, I don't know if I'll do, but yeah, I'll do.
Okay. So just a gist of our area. So that over there is the reception. There is our room. There are ducks somewhere here. Let's just walk. Yeah. Oh, there are no more ducks here. There were ducks here. Anyways, we'll see you guys in a while. Bye bye. Hey guys, just a quick update. We just finished lunch and now we're playing Jenga. Adi's trying to beat me at Jenga, which I'm pretty sure she might because my balance is horrible. Anyway, we'll be soon gonna zip line and all that, and then we will try to capture something if possible. Adi, how was the Jenga experience?
Just started.
Okay, we will catch you guys in the next clip. Bye bye.
We're just showing you the structure where we have these turns. The last one is just one. I made it one. This is the height. So we're going for the activity number 2. So we're going for zipline. I don't know how much of it are we going to shoot, but yeah. There are 2 rounds. I guess I'll do 1. So you want to see Jeff? So this is how we go there. Left. I have to do it all by myself. Yeah, this is also like a mini trek if that's what you're wondering. Vedua! You run in the front, what should I do? So from there they'll push up.
Bye Adi.
Guys, we're all dressed, decked out, and we're front of the waterfall. Again, I know you would see a lot of waterfalls because this place is all about the waterfall. So we just finished our high tea. The zip line was awesome. You get 2 rounds. Yeah, I was scared, but then once I do it, I keep doing it. I did it even in Wayanad. For those of you who saw our Instagram page, there was one of me and Negi doing it. So yeah, this time, Jeff, what was your first time?
Yeah, it was my first time. It's getting dark.
So we don't have lights here.
It's quite dark.
It's quite dark.
I don't know if you can hear us and see us.
We'll show you the.
This is how. That's the restaurant and that's the bar.
Yeah.
That's where we have a zip line from. It's pretty dark. You can't see anything, but
This is okay. I'm pretty sure you can't see this either. This is the river flowing. If you can see. Can't pretty sure. And that's our waterfall.
this place is hyped for the waterfall, and it is. I feel it's actually worth it. Maybe you might have a different opinion, but yeah, this is ours. So I think that's pretty much it. We're going for dinner now. Dinner is at 7:30. We will tell you more about how to book, how we booked, what are the offers, and this is not a sponsored video, by the way. This is our own trip. We will, so our reviews are honest. We will let you know more about it. Thank you guys. Hi guys.
So it's day 3, we're checking out.
Today.
Rani, before a back to
Yeah, we're checking out at 11. So for those of you who want to know how we got booked here, we booked it through Cred. Cred is that app where you pay your credit card bills and other transactions. So you get good offers on Cred. If you have coins, you get a really good deal on Cred. If not, you can search for at Nakur on Google. There are a lot of websites. If you have deals to Make My Trip or Clear Trip or anything, you get a good deal. If not, it's a little on the expensive side, but it's worth it because they have a lot of activities inside. The stay is good, the food is amazing.
a spa, but we couldn't utilize it because of our nature work and everything.
Yeah, they have a good pool. The waterfall is the main highlight. There are a lot of other activities also. So if you guys get an opportunity to come here,
You just want to relax in a weekend,
yeah, away from the city and all that,
you can definitely try this.
yeah, this
You want your network, you can only live with Wi-Fi.
Yeah, there's no network here. Even if it's BSNL, Jio, Airtel, whatever, there's no network, but they have Wi-Fi everywhere, so that shouldn't be an issue.
It's an open Wi-Fi once you get to your room and
Yeah.
everywhere.
And the drive from Bangalore is around 280 kilometers. We took 6 hours because we stopped and we took our own time. The road's a little narrow once you pass Coorg. It's around 50 kilometers from Coorg. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys do get an opportunity to come here, please do come. You will not regret.
the small vlog. I know we're doing it like after a really long time, so you guys know the drill. If you're watching it for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe
Like,
and share.
this is Unstable
Hello.
signing off.
Bye.
Bye.